Are you an expecting mother who is curious about maintaining a healthy diet during pregnancy? Well, we have got an exciting topic for you today that's going to make a significant impact on your journey. Have you wondered how incorporating flaxseed in your diet can benefit both you and your baby? Stick around, because in this video, we are going to explore the amazing advantages of consuming the flaxseed during pregnancy. But first, let's quickly go over what flax seeds are before we get into the advantages. Flaxseed are tiny brown or golden seeds that come from the flax plant, also known as Linum datissimum. These little powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients and have been recognized for their numerous health benefits. Now, explore how flaxseed can positively impact your pregnancy. Boost omega-3 fatty acid intake. Omega-3 fatty acid play a crucial role in the development of your baby's brain and eyes. Flax seeds are an excellent plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, that's ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. By incorporating flaxseed in your diet, you can increase your omega-3 intake, promoting healthy brain and visual development in your little one. Provides fiber for digestive health. Pregnancy often comes with its fair share of digestive issues, such as constipation. Flax seeds are rich in dietary fiber, which can help alleviate discomfort. Consuming an adequate amount of fiber supports regular bowel movement and ensures a healthy digestive system throughout your pregnancy. Manages hormonal balance. Flaxseed contains lignans, which are natural compound that possesses estrogenic properties. During pregnancy, hormonal imbalances can occur, leading to a various symptoms. The lignans in flaxseed can help regulate hormone level and promote a more balanced hormonal environment, potentially reducing the intensity of these symptoms. Supports heart health. Maintaining cardiovascular health is crucial during pregnancy, and flaxseed can lend a helping hand. The omega-3 fatty acid found in flaxseed have been associated with reducing the risk of heart disease. By incorporating flaxseed into your diet, you can support a healthy heart for both you and your baby. Enhances immune function. As an expecting mother, it's important to have a strong immune system to protect yourself and your baby. Flaxseed contain antioxidants, which help combat free radical and strengthen your immune system. A robust immune system can shield you from common illness and infection, promoting a healthier pregnancy overall. Assist with weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight during pregnancy is essential for your well-being and the development of your baby. Flaxseed are a low-calorie and nutrient-dense food, making them a great addition to your diet. The combination of the fiber-health fats and the protein in flaxseed can help you feel fuller for longer, potentially curbing excessive weight gain. Promotes healthy skin and hair. Pregnancy can sometimes affect the condition of your skin and hair. Flaxseed contain essential fatty acids that nourish your skin and promote a healthy glow. Additionally, these fatty acids contribute to the strength and the shine of your hair, minimizing any adverse effect that hormonal changes may have. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of incorporating flaxseed into your pregnancy diet. Remember, it's always essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially during pregnancy. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. We have plenty more informative videos coming your way to help you navigate the beautiful journey of motherhood. Don't forget to share this video with other expecting moms who might find it useful. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.